Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss some daily use sentences to speak fluent English. Let's start. তোমরা এখানে ইংরেজি শিখতে আসো। You come here to learn English. You come here to learn English. তুমি কাকে চাও? Whom do you want? Whom do you want? আমরা এখন ইংরেজি পড়ছি। Now we are reading English. Now we are reading English. আমরা সকাল থেকে ইংরেজি পড়ছি। We have been reading English since morning. We have been reading English since morning. তার ভাই 2 ঘন্টা ধরে ইংরেজি পড়ছে। His brother has been reading English since 2 hours. His brother has been reading English for 2 hours. তোমার বোন কি সকালে ইংরেজি পড়েনি? Did not your sister read English in the morning? Did not your sister read English in the morning? তোমরা এখানে কি করছো? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? কে ওখানে দাঁড়িয়ে রয়েছে? Who is standing there? Who is standing there? তুমি কি করেছো? What have you done? What have you done? সে কেন এখানে এসেছে? Why has she came here? Why has she came here? If you like this type of videos, then please subscribe my channel and do follow me. Thank you.